making a Easter recipe to feed the current trends, a 6-ingredient eggless Dalgona Easter cupcakes. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Preheat the oven to about 170 degrees for the cupcakes. This will need a boxed vanilla mud cake mix. We've chosen this because we know how hard it can be to find raw ingredients during lockdown. And about 35 ml of oil, followed by about 65 ml of water, and our egg substitute, which consists of 1 tablespoon of ground flaxeed and 3 tablespoons of water. Into a mixing bowl, add the 35 ml of oil, followed by the 65 ml of water, and then finally our flaxseed mix containing 3 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of ground flaxeed. Then mix this well until all the wet ingredients are blended together. Add 225 grams of cake mix into the mixing bowl. Mix this for only about 1 minute. Mix this till the thick texture that we've shown here and do not overmix this. Then put this mix into individual cupcake bowls on a tray, only filling about 2/3 of the bowl. This recipe makes approximately 6 cupcakes. Set the oven to 170 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and place the cupcakes in the oven. For the star of this recipe, the Dalgona Coffee icing, added about 3 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, followed by about 3 teaspoons of icing mix, which is in the cake box. Finally, add about 3 teaspoons of water. Whisk this mixture well until it forms a thick, cream-like consistency. You can use this mix to make Dalgona coffee, as the icing mixture makes the coffee foam even fluffier than normal sugar. This is what the final consistency of the coffee mixture should look like. Then, to make this mixture just right for icing, add about 3 more teaspoons of icing mixture, followed by about 100 ml of thickened cream. You can use coconut cream if opting for a vegan option. Whisk this mixture well until it forms a stiff, ribbony texture. Then, take the cupcakes out of the oven, pipe the icing onto them, and then top them up with an Easter egg,